Ihawan, kaya ang food. Start tayo. Ang time to beat natin is 3 minutes. So, sana we can tolerate more than 3 minutes na. Oops. Ang paa, 90 degrees. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Up, up, up. Straighten your knees. Straighten your knees. Yan. Okay. Tayo natin. Okay. Very good. Ngayon tayo mag-exercise after 3 minutes. Ang bigat nasa paa. Huwag masyado sa balikat, ma'am. Ha? Kasi sasakit balikat mo. Try mo, ma'am. Isang kamay lang. Try natin isa. Kaya? Okay. Okay. Kabila. Anti-exercise tayo habang nakatayo ka. Weight shifting tayo. Side to side. Okay. Or bend mo ng onti yung waist. Yan. Pag ganyan. 1, 2. Parang nabibigyan ng bigat. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10. Okay, very good. Try natin if kaya habang nakatayo. So, yan. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ito. Try natin if kaya ito. Kaya? Meron onte. 1. Hindi ko. Very good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Palayo ko na. Swing your feet. Swing your foot. Until sa likod po. Parang nag-swing na. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Kabilang side. Oops. Sige. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Dito po ulit sa left. Oh, very good. More than 3 ka na. Sige, time lang natin. Okay, side to side. Yan. Isipin mo po. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ko tanggalin, ma'am, ha? Hawak lang. Kailangan natin itaas mo yung hip mo. Left mo na. Parang ma-march. Sumpo natin ganito kataas. Ma'am, ha? If hindi mo taas, ako taas. So, sige. Up. 1. Up. 2. Up. 3. Sige lang po. 4. 5. 7. Sa likod ka daw. Ay, sis,
Hindi siya
ano
okay.
naman.
Okay lang.
Ah,
Hindi tama.
okay. Usap ko kayo. Para,
Nay, huwag mo itulak.
Oo, sige. Wala. Alalay lang ako. Nakasandali ka.
dito na tayo mag-exercise mo. Push yourself forward. Okay.
Tinik pa yung gamit ko yun.
Okay lang naman. Oops. Oh. Okay. Sige na, hug.
Hag.
Tinig isa. Okay. Tayo. Diretso, tuhod.
Oops.
Okay, lalaro po. Pag po ba nakaupo kayo, masakit sa tuhod?
Hindi. Nakasing spring na nakaganon.
No walker today?
Walker, Nick.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Sige nga po, i-try niyo. Paano mas mataas? Nadidiretso niyo.
Diretso.
Okay.
Diretso. Ito lang sa... Diretso siya.
Okay lang naman kung may ganyan. Parang assist lang naman.
Assist lang. Para lang lumakas yung pagtayo.
Okay.
Parang masikip siya.
Masikip to dapat doon. Hindi siya makaano kanina mas malayo. To
Madali
dapat.
naman yan eh. Anuin natin yung upuan.
Teka.
Hindi. Tatayo siya.
Madulas siya. Nakabidyas ka.
1,
Yorong ko, kuhan.
3, up. Okay, tayo na tuwid.
Sige.
Doon na rin. Dito na rin.
Yan.
Yung carpet parang ba?
Sige lang ta.
Ayan. Yan. Sige.
Oh.
Sige.
Upo na?
Sige.
Sige.
Okay. Yan. Para makahiling ka dito. Oh. Dito ka din.
Okay. Ayaw na tayo. Dapat ang paalapat.
Yan.
Okay. 10. 1.
Tayong dalawa. Sama.
O bakit?
Sama nga. Sa likod.
Sige.
Maano siya.
Ito lang
Masakit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Ilang ko tubig. Alala.
6, 7, 9, 10. Relax. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, very good. 9, 10. Okay. Kabila.
Hindi nakita. Wait lang. Excuse me. Hindi ka kita rin siya.
Good. 9, 10. Okay, up.
Kita mo na, be?
Ito na.
Okay.
Picture eh.
Sitting up every meal now. She can't eat lying down.
Papalit tayo ng kay. Kaya po ng alcohol.
We have a long distance audience over there.
Bakit? Bida?
Urong-urong ito na eh.
Hindi, ano kasi. Masyadong, yan.
She's got people tending.
Okay na? Kailangan itulak.
I don't for the life of me know why people still wear the mask.
She have a cold.
Because when there's a patient in the operating room, the patient does not wear a mask. Only the surgeon.
Kasi may sipon man ako.
Nakarabi ko sa bakon.
Oh, that's okay. We're still gonna get colds, honey. It's done faster than I can turn on the camera. She's in the wheelchair and I helped her out of bed and I didn't turn the camera on. So I'm an amateur cameraman. They keep telling me, no pictures. No pictures! We're private people! Why didn't you have the camera on?
Birthday niya, nagkakain.
Oo.
So she's in the wheelchair. It wasn't that hard. She's moving around now. She's feeling better. Thank you so much.
For the prayers.
Keep praying, guys.
For the progress.
We-
Thank you.
We have more to pray for, guys.
Yes.
Norma is very important. She has done so much for me. We're gonna have a little lunch here.
Wala ang chicken.
Asan ang chicken?
Sa kanina.
Pagligo na nga yung ipinag-aalo nga ni Shara kanina.
They told me it was ready. I don't know.
Yours, that's mine. Salmon.
You can.
Salmon.
I'll eat what you don't eat. That's
It's okay. You have chicken.
usually what we do. Okay.
Mali ba kayo ya?
Ano nang, neck aircon. Init. Bye guys. Thank you for the prayers.
Thank you for the prayers.
Pag hindi ka naunat, ewan ko lang.
It's the wrong patient. I know I'm in the way. The cameraman's always in the way.
Be, tapon mga sa basuran, be. Yan na, ang sinabing belt. Step by step pala yan eh.
Oh.
Nakakahinga pa naman, ma'am. Hindi pa masyadong mahigit.
They're gonna take you out differently today?
Pero nakahinga. Okay. Okay.
It's the chair and not the bed today, right?
Yes, yes.
That's what they call progress.
Tolerance in sitting. Okay. Ipa.
All right, everyone wants to get in on the act here.
Sige, sige.
Pakilap po yun.
Oo, nakalak na.
Sige. Ready. Yakap.
Ay, teka, isa pa.
Ah, sige po. Okay, ready.
Where?
1.
Ay, parang ano. Kapit.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Up, up, up. Tayo, tayo, tayo. Okay, small steps. Atras.
Okay.
Oops, wala pa, wala pa.
Wala pa.
Okay.
Sige, 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 sige.
It's like trying to have a dog have puppies.
Sige, sige, come on.
Yeah. Okay, tas pa-unlock. Pusog tayo doon. Okay.
Lock.
Opo pala.
I never knew making the bed was so difficult.
Balik pa rin kay Anik.
Ang
Yan.
pom, binaliktad ko na ba yan?
Ah.
Pit-pit na talaga yung pom.
Kailangan lang palitan yung phone.
Yes, kasi local ang pom. Kasi alam mo naman ang balakang, hindi maano.
Okay. Mag-kuryente tayo, ma'am. Ha? Mararamdaman niyo po pa.
Pag hindi kaya, oops,
Ay.
hindi kaya. Huwag pilitin.
Sabi mama, if you need
Tagal
it.
wala pang ano.
Wala pang kuryente.
Wala pang kuryente.
Excuse me. Very good.
Very good.
Kuryente. Pag nawala, dahan-dahan po upo.
Wala na.
Okay, dahan-dahan po upo. Adjust ko lang. Very good. Okay, diretso katawan. Yan. Very good. Sabi mo, wait na nangalan ka. Oh, very good. Kalong tulipan.
Tatawag lang ako ng ambulance. Hello sir, good morning. Ako po yung nagpa-estate kahapon ng ambulance. Siguro sir mga 10:30. Total malapit. Malapit lang naman sa Isidro po. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Any pain, honey?
Bye-bye.
No.
That's good.
Ano, the electric.
It's good.
Ah.
Okay.
Nice. Good job. Pagod na?
Ito naman.
Walang sakit sa balikat, ma'am.
Wala naman.
Okay. Sabihin sa legs ka naglalagay ng bigat. Push ang legs. Okay, push. Move ko lang po lang. Yan.
All right, now the bicycle pedals.
Okay, ma'am. Up, up, up. Yan.
Mahina hindi.
Okay lang. Okay. Oops. Take off. Para hindi ko malapit.
Okay, honey, it's as easy as riding a bike.
Okay.
Layo. Ayan.
That's easy,
Pwede na mag-bike.
easy for me to say.
Sige, palakas ang tuhod. Dapat, gitna lang. Yan. Five minutes, okay? Tapos, isang round tayo ng lakad. Kailangan pa natin palakasin yung left mo. Umaano yung tuhod mo.
Malakas yung right. Dati itong ano eh.
Dati ito yung mahina. Wala namang masakit sa
Wala naman.
Okay.
Three minutes.
Hindi naman sumasakit tuhod mo. Kasi umamangkas eh.
Pwede na ulit. Andun sa bag.
It's been a little less than 3 months that she's been operated on and lying in bed.
No. Pag hindi kaya, upo.
Sabay ang left. Left. Yan. Right, walker. Right. Oops. Yan. Shoulder width apart.
1 month since the spinal surgery.
Dito tayo ha. Yan. Small steps. Sige mo. Dito po pa. Yan. Yun. Galing na.
Oops.
Dahan-dahan. Small steps. Okay. Higher ang knees. Yan. Higher knees. Yan. Dahan-dahan. Yan. Wider ha. Wider ang foot. Higher knees. Higher knees. Lift your foot. Yan. Lift your foot. Straight body. Lift your foot. Yan. Your foot. Kaya pa isa? O pagod na?
Pagod na.
Pagod na?
No,
Sige.
enough na.
Sige. Dulo na lang natin, ma'am. Tapos upo na sa wheelchair. Oops, oops. Wide ang paa. Huwag mag-e-ekis ang paa. Yan. Always wide. Okay, last. Isang pantayin lang natin yung walk. Yan. Okay, harap lang ito. Okay, tapos ang wheelchair. Dahan-dahan, upo. Very good. Saan ang alay? Legs or likod?
Ito na.
Left. Left, left.
Nandun ang mga nalay.
Okay, sige.
Neck or neck. Oh yes, wait lang.
That's good. Very good.
That was very good.
Okay na to.
Yes po. Okay.
Okay.
Nabalik na tayo sa bed. Wait lang. Pahinga muna. Ano? Kaya pa?
Tubig
Hinga muna,
ba?
hinga muna, hinga. Baka mamaya ngalay pa yung legs.
Yeah, put that over here. Then that's gonna knock it down again when they go by.
Ito yung tubig neck. Malikam ka.
Pagod na,
Kahit
Nor.
ang pagod.
That was a good 5 minutes.